Hello, welcome in daily newspaper editorials audio program. Now headline: Startups need an alt-driven startup. The Economic Time. Now headline in detail: Startups need an alt-driven startup. The Economic Time. Structural shift, reverse capital throughout the funding winter for Indian startups is presenting with both absolute levels and the late stage deals pipeline remaining anemic. Failing of its pandemic cliff. Venture capital is yet to find its feel as Indian regulations were tightened on valuation and methodology. The broader point is that Indian startups have been finding it difficult to raise early stage funding for a while, and this has a domino effect on late stage funding that gets activated when growth milestones are achieved. Regulatory intervention are designed to curb growth from building up in the startups ecosystem. However, the business environment needs to be encouraging as well for domestic innovation. The speed of churning out unicorns should not slow down dramatically. It would not be too much of a stretch to see the current capital throughout reversing once structural shifts take place in India's startup ecosystem. Startups are now more sensitive to governance standard, which makes for a cleaner flow of funds once the technology hurdle is overcome, and there is evidence that companies are reading their all play both fundamental and application. There will be a fresh finding flood. The transformation potential of all will speed up recovery once it begins. Thank you.